So hello everyone. Today let us start with brain. Okay, so it is a continuation of your nervous system. So today let us go and start with reflex activity. So reflex activity is nothing but a sudden emergency condition. So the impulse from your sensory nerves will go to your spinal cord and then it won't reach your brain. Immediately your spinal cord will respond to it. Okay, so that type of activity is called as reflex activity. So normally whatever the sensory perceptions that is received by us, it will be through spinal cord, it will go to brain. So brain, in your brain the interpretation will occur, and after that your brain will act accordingly by sending impulses. But in case of reflex activity, the impulse will not reach your brain, so it will return from the spinal cord itself. Okay, so reflex activity is the response at a peripheral nervous stimulation that occurs without our consciousness. So it is a type of protective mechanism and it protects the body from irreparable damages. Okay, so for example, when a hand is placed on a hot object, it is withdrawn immediately. Okay, so when a bright light is thrown into your eyes, eyelids are closed and pupil is constricted to prevent the damage of the retina by entry of excessive of light into the eye. So these are all the protective mechanisms. So reflex arc is anatomically nervous pathway for reflex action. So a simple reflex arc includes 5 components. So it includes receptors, afferent nerve, center, efferent nerve and effector organ. Okay, so here receptor is the end organ which receives the stimulus, that is from the external. So when receptor is stimulated, impulses are generated in the afferent nerve. So afferent nerve, it or sensory nerve, it will transmit the impulses from the receptor to the center. Okay, so center, it receives the sensory impulses via afferent nerve fibers and in turn generates appropriate motor impulses. So center is located in the brain or in the spinal cord. Okay, so efferent nerve is or motor nerve transmit the motor impulses from center to the effector organ, and effector organ is structure such as muscle or gland where activity occurs in response to the stimulus. So afferent and efferent nerve fibers may be connected directly to the center. So some places one or more neurons are interposed between the nerve fibers and the center. Such neurons are called connector neurons or internunical neurons or interneurons. Okay, so this is the pathway of the reflex arc, and this is the reflex arc along with the spinal cord. Okay, so with this your reflex activity is over. So remaining we can see in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.